If you want to duplicate photos in Lightroom Mobile, the first thing to know is that there's no direct duplicate button built into the app. But don't worry, there are two easy ways to get the same result depending on what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to make a true duplicate by exporting as a DNG and re-importing it, and I'll also show you a faster, non-destructive option using versions. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips. Let's get started. First, open Lightroom Mobile and select the photo you want to duplicate. If you want a copy that keeps the raw data, tap the Share or Export option. Then choose Export as DNG if your version of Lightroom and your device support it. A DNG file is useful because it preserves more editing flexibility than a standard JPEG or PNG. After exporting, save the DNG to your device. Once that's done, go back into Lightroom Mobile and import the DNG file you just saved. You now have a second copy of the photo in your library. And because it was exported as DNG, it still behaves like a raw file for editing. This is the best method if you want a separate file you can edit independently. Now, if your goal is not to create a file copy, but simply to try different edits on the same photo, use versions instead. Open the image, go into the editing panel, and look for the Versions or Version History option. From there, you can create a new version or snapshot of your edit. This lets you make multiple variations of the same photo without duplicating the actual file in your camera roll or Lightroom library. It's perfect for comparing different looks, like one warm edit, one moody edit, and one clean natural version. The nice part is that Versions keeps everything non-destructive, so your original photo stays intact while you experiment freely. So just to recap, if you need an actual duplicate photo in Lightroom Mobile, export as DNG and re-import it. If you only want multiple edit options, use Versions inside the editor. Both methods are simple, fast, and very useful for photographers who want more control over their workflow. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.